Okay, so I have my entire tool inventory out here, what I own. Also, we have back here, there's our just gun cleaning kit and old gun lock box. Down here, our service cart, channel lock. Random tools, electrical and some soldering type of things like that. Battery packs. Down here we have some wrenches, or some of the tools that are laid out on the ground where they sleep up here. Our air compressor, air hose, a couple fishing poles, a lot of extra tools carried in case of emergency in the back of the trunk here, like an air compressor. Just little things like a squeegee I found that at a car wash, thrown out in the trash can. Orange vest, jumper cables in there. Back here also, a few extra little tools there. And that's about all that's me back here. Some jack stands back here. These are Pittsburgh, and they're in a Hitachi case. Hitachi sack. These are old Pittsburgh gray jack stands, 310. Okay. So there we go, right there, old Pittsburgh 3-tonners. Yep, and that's about all.